I can almost see it, the dreams I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My fate is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain.
I'm always gonna be making a move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb.
The struggles I'm facing,
The chances I'm taking sometimes
knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking.
I may not know it,
But these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most, yeah. Just gonna keep growing. But nagbuffer siya, nagbuffer ang kanta. Yeah, ang tagal niyang mag-buffer. Ang tagal-tagal mag-buffer. Ang tagal-tagal mag-buffer. Kami ay nabitin. Ito ay nagpa-buffer. Inulit na niya ang kanta.